In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Workspace email in Outlook Desktop for Mac. If you're using Outlook on a Mac and want your work email, calendar, and contacts all in one place, this walkthrough will get you set up quickly and reliably. Before we start, make sure Outlook is open and up to date. Updates help avoid sign-in hiccups, especially with modern Google security. First, open Outlook on your Mac. If Outlook launches to your inbox, great. If it's just been installed, you might see a welcome screen. Either way, you'll end up in the main Outlook window. Give it a second to finish any background syncing so the menus are responsive. Next, open Settings. Look for the gear icon in Outlook's interface. It's typically in the toolbar. Click it to open the Settings panel. This is where you control app preferences like appearance, notifications, and, most importantly for us, your accounts. Inside Settings, go to Accounts. This section lists any mailboxes you've already connected and is where you'll add new ones. It's also where you can make an account your default later on. So remember how to get back here if you want your Google Workspace email to be the primary send from address. Now, add your Google Workspace email. Click Add Account, then choose Google from the list of providers. It's important to pick the Google option rather than IMAP or POP. The Google option uses secure sign-in with Google, which is required for most workspace organizations. When prompted, enter your work email address. Outlook will open a secure Google sign-in window. Type your password, and if your organization uses two-step verification, complete the prompt on your phone or security key. You'll see a permission screen asking to let Outlook access your mail, contacts, and calendar. Review it and click Allow. This enables full sync so you can send and receive email, schedule meetings, and use your address book right from Outlook. Back in Outlook, you may be asked what to sync. Keep mail on and optionally enable calendar and contacts if you want everything integrated. If Outlook asks whether to make this your default account, you can confirm now or adjust it later in Accounts. Outlook will start syncing immediately. The first load can take a few minutes, especially for large mailboxes. You can watch the status at the bottom of the window. Once folders appear in the sidebar, open your inbox to verify new messages are coming in, send a quick test email to confirm sending works, and check Calendar if you enabled it. If you're prompted repeatedly to sign in, make sure you chose Google as the provider and that your browser isn't blocking the Google login window. For admin-restricted accounts, you may need approval from your IT team. That's it. Your Google Workspace email is now added to Outlook on your Mac.